Here you go, Mommy.
Are you gonna want to eat now? You want some milk?
I want to get rid of those hiccups, Mommy.
Shh. Just hey, chill out. Hey.
Lush, pat her on the butt.
Take it.
Oh, right, cowboy boots, girl. Those are your boots.
Oh, wow.
Aren't they pretty? Now you can be a cowgirl.
Those are